I'm Scott Couch. I'm the Facilities and Maintenance Director at Veritas Steel. I take care of several hundred pieces of equipment, and I enjoy coming to work every day and making this place a better place to work. Dan, our City Electric representative, came out, did some studies and surveys, told us what we could potentially get inside the shops, and that relationship that we've built with them has got us to this point.
When I originally went out to Veritas Steel, I called Bruce to come in and take a look at it with me to look at the job. They did not have enough lights, so I knew I needed something that's going to be good at that. The product I actually recommended to Veritas was one that I had seen, and I thought it was an excellent product, and I knew that I would have the support behind me, so I felt comfortable selling them.
The product is robust, it's heavyweight, it's sealed. It has helped us see paint quality issues on the steel, and it's also helped our safety. We don't have as many slip, trip, and falls. You can see better in the shop. The 5-year warranty is really what pushed us over the edge to know that we had that support for 5 years. No other product out there was offering that. The end result is really key for me to have actually been in this bay beforehand and see how dimly lit it was. Now that we see it, is just night and day. I've had comments from our now Vice President of Operations about how well the lighting is in the paint shop, and it's how impressive it is for people when they walk in.